there beauties, your girl Euniycemari here, and so today I have a very exciting unboxing for you guys. I will be doing the Goddess Profusion unboxing today, and I'm really excited because I've been wanting to get my hands on one of these boxes for the longest time, and I got my hands on the box last month, but I didn't get around to filming it for you guys. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and make sure you are putting on the post notifications so you are notified when I upload. And if you love what I do, go ahead and click that thumbs up and share me with the world, okay? So let's dive into this. If you do not know what Goddess Provision is, it is a monthly subscription, and you get a spiritually inspired box for $33 a month. And I'm really excited about this box because it came with an oracle card deck, but we're gonna jump into that, okay? So we're gonna go through this box one by one, and I'm just gonna share with you guys everything that came in it and price point. You guys, also everything that I talk about in this box and the box itself, where you can sign up, read upon it, all that will be linked down below in the description box, okay? So let's jump right into this box. So first thing first, right on top is the I don't even know how to pronounce that, Little Book of Spirit Animals by Melissa Alvarez. It looks like this, and I think this is so freaking cute, you guys. So pretty much just says, mind, body, and spirit / spirit animals. Explore the world of spirit animals and how they can guide you to live your best life. This handy reference book features more than 200 entries for wild, domestic, and mythical animals, helping you understand their messages and integrate their spiritual energy. The book retails for $13, and I just think it's really cool. You can actually look up an animal and figure out what our spiritual energy is. So I think that's really good. They have a bunch of different animals in here, okay? So that's pretty cool. All right, the next thing that came in here that I was super duper excited about is the oracle cards. So these are the Animal Ally oracle cards, okay? Now I have a deck, the Crystal Visions tarot deck. If you guys don't know, I do have tarot, I do have crystals, I do all of that. If you don't know, now you know. But I don't have a deck of oracle cards, so I was really excited to get my hands on these oracle cards. They retail for a value of $23. Now this box subscription is $33 a month. So far with the book and the oracle cards, you are lucking out, okay? This is what it looks like, and this is what the deck looks like. Oh my goodness, I just think it is so cool. So the deck comes like this, just says Animal Allies on the front, and then these are the cards inside of the deck. All right, so pretty much I guess we can kind of play around with this really quickly. So how you would use this is that you pretty much, just like you would with any other tarot, okay, usually you'll ask a question like, let's say, what message do you have for me today? And you just shuffle. Now these are really, oh my, I'm loving these actually. The feel of these are really nice. I like these. You can just shuffle. There's different ways of shuffling, but that's a whole nother story. And so then the snail, okay, and usually what you would do from there is figure out what does the snail mean, and they have a pamphlet. It's like not like a little booklet. Most like oracle or tarot cards have a little booklet with it, but these have an actual like pamphlet, which is interesting. So let's see what the snail looks like really quickly, or what is the snail about, if I can find it. Where are you, snail? All right, protection, learning to trust, opening your hard exterior to expose your soft interior and vulnerability at the right times and with the right people. Go slowly. Rushing into relationships or agreements may not be wise. Snail can teach you to find the delicate balance between protection and trust. between sharing and concealing. And I think that is pretty cool. So I can't wait to actually play around with this deck a little bit more. So that deck I was really, really excited about. And I can't wait to kind of throw that into, you know, my readings. That'll be a fun little way to throw in, you know, some to your readings. All right. This here, and this is a Palo Santo stick. A Palo Santo stick, and I love Palo Santo. I have a whole box of Palo Santo, but this one has wild and free on it. Okay, I love Palo Santo. I use Palo Santo more than I use sage, but Palo Santo just keeps more of the good energy around. It gets rid of any negative energy. So you get one little Palo Santo stick, and that retails for $4. Now, I don't know if you get a set for $4 or just one for $4, but I will leave all information down below for you guys to check out. So it's really good. And I love the way that Palo Santo smells. It smells really, really good. Next thing that I'm really excited about are these incense. And these are the Sacred Elephant Mirith incense. I actually really do love the scent Mirith. I love it. Along with frankincense, I love it. So it says, a deep and engaging meditative experience. Use only absolute great Mirith resin to create alluring and ambrosial scent that carries one to antiquity. Okay. And these are produced in India. They look like this. Produced in India. Oh, they smell amazing. And these are good to use too when I am doing like my readings or when I'm meditating. I think these will really come into play. I love that, so I can't wait to use those. Oh, I can't wait. I'm so excited. And those retail for $8.50. Next we got is something by RootFoot, and this is a RootFoot bear for strong grounding forces, healing and introspection, intention wear spirit animal. Looks like this. So it's a roll on by RootFoot, and this one you apply to your pulse points, chest, hands, and feet to invoke the powers of the spiritual animal. And of course, you guys, all these products are made. Oh, that's strong. This has a very strong earth scent to it. So if you're not a real earthy person, this may throw you. Ooh, that is deep. You know what? The earthiness of it throws me off, but I like it. I'm not a real deep earthy person, but I like it. Ooh, that is some earthiness for you. Like, this is earthiness. Like, oh, that is like deep. I don't even know when and where I will wear that, but that's deep for you, okay? It is completely earthy. Like, if you are super into earth scents, that's for you, okay? And this one's a $28 value, $28 value, all right? Next thing that I am really excited about is a lovely stone. Okay, now if you guys don't know, I do have crystals. So I do like stones and crystals and things of that sort. And this one is the Peacock Aura. Known as the stone of happiness, this stone infuses positivity into spiritual pursuits of understanding, intuition, dreaming, ancient wisdom, and transformation. This is a $6 value, and this is what the stone looks like. Now, I don't know anything about this stone, so I'm gonna definitely have to do my research on it. It's a value of $6, so we're gonna have to look up a little bit more information about the peacock, and I will leave it down below for you guys to read upon as well. And lastly, you guys, we got this little sticker which has a lot of great detail into it. A lot of great detail into it. It has like a buffalo with trees and a mountain with a sun, and yeah, so, and this is a stick this artwork on your water bottle, laptop, or car as a reminder to connect with your wild side. And this is a $5 value. Okay, so that's pretty cute. Overall, you guys, I really do like this box. I think that the spirit animal theme is really cute, really cool, and it's a different spiritual connection, because I feel like you don't really think of spirit animals or animals being spiritual, but I think this box just kind of reminds you like, yo, animals are spiritual, and you can connect with them, and they can connect with you, and it connects to nature and all that in all of the same way. So I'm definitely really excited about this box. I cannot wait to play around with the oracle cards and figuring, you know, doing my research on this Ore or the Peacock Ore and all that stuff. I will definitely leave all links down below for you guys to go and check out Goddess Provisions, and read upon like the spiritual box and how you get a spiritual box every month. And I think for the value that we got here is amazing, because it is like way more than you would get buying alone. $33, and all this stuff here is over $30. So that's really, really great. So if you guys have any questions for me, leave them down below. I will definitely leave everything down below for you guys to read upon, and I'm really excited, and I can't wait for next month's facts. All right, you guys, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. This is your girl, Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you in a later video.